We've been rerouted to assist the IDAC group and the populace as best as we can. The mission is humanitarian based.
1301 Mike. Don't need to fucking say that.
We are here to be a deterrent to those who will look to take advantage of the chaos by the typhoon.
Some action, like goddamn.
Ambush, dismount.
I can see people with guns in the street at 1:30.
See the dude with the gun behind us.
Stepping over about to crash.
Yeah, I just want to keep the map down here in case you're in the vehicle. We're just going to hold up and watch you closely.
Two recon reporters followed replacement individuals back in town. Initially,
Hold fire, hold fire, hold fire. One in custody here.
above ground.
That's an enemy combatant, not a civic. Thank you.
That's not outcome fire up here, correct?
Bravo will flip through and get the area flip side. He goes loaded.
Oh, no.
Picked up.
We're going to go far east of everyone.
Double time. Thanks.
The tower is armed. Copy that.
Sandra, acknowledge pushing past. Go to the Alpha Bravo arrow. Keep pushing around that way and bring to engagement. Otherwise,
Breach it. I got Michael down on me. Good shit.
Sunray, this is Charlie. We just had a building collapse on us. Quite much.
Sunray's down.
Sandra,
Cool, cool. Yeah, he's got no heart rate. Airway's clear and he needs blood. Didn't check his blood type.
Have you relayed out the sender? Yes, advised you Alpha, just say you've got intel.
civilians are far better supplied and motivated than originally anticipated, and we're willing to openly engage ASOT, local police and government forces. ASOT must act quickly in order to save as many remaining civilians, police and government soldiers.
We're heading south to Gulf Shore with some supplies. Our job is to provide security. Keep your eyes peeled. Dismount.
Roger, all units dismount, engage.
Contact clear.
Section up to the west. 230.
Approaching from the west-west, from west.
Yeah, fuck you. East.
Red team, you get the east.
Driving up, all contacts coming in from your west. Direction, Charlie.
Roger that, Charlie's engaging.
And Charlie, you still feel like sticking around for a fight, or mounting up and leaving?
That's your call. Charlie's always up for a fight though.
Roger that, we'll stay and fight. Charlie, mount up, we're going to push through. We're being surrounded here.
Man up, we're gonna push through.
Right, let's go.
Slaughter last man. Go, get in.
If you're in the rear, keep firing.
Just go back there, keep the mount up and moving over. Just keep eyes on them.
Keep his hands off the road, because AI drivers are crazy.
What the fuck is this guy doing? Let's just keep going. What the? What's up, guys? You're right to come in? Yeah, this is Charlie and Big One. Looks all clear.
Roger that. Head on in.
Blue take east.
Sunray Minor, we're currently delivering supplies. Hideout contacts given us a location of quote-unquote very bad men to the north in a cave. Once we've finished unloading, we're going to go investigate over.
Sunray, Charlie, submitted as follows. Green on ammo, green on medical. I've just finished delivering the supplies.
He's hostile.
1090, say again, 0710.
Hit, pretty bad.
Look up. They're upstairs somewhere.
You down on me?
Yep, do it. Grenade, get back.
Mission, investigate, execution. From here, you are to get Bravo organized, reorged, and all set up. We'll lay through.
Yeah, time for slow pan.
Once everyone's resupplied, we'll mount up and we'll head back there. This civilian has been doing the worm the entire
Sunray Minor, already done over. Alpha, this will be what? Alpha, Pronto, be advised. I was going to do your hostage and you have to take flight 1206 Papa, acknowledge over.
Come inside of the road.
We backloaded as well.
Hold fire.
Just keep clear of the road.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and flash him and take him into custody.
We're behind three-way alpha members to watch the hostages.
And then that last white post would have been underneath that.
POWs, over.
Copy.
Here we go. Yeah, I'm right.
They're up on the other side of the bridge.
We got multiple speedboats and friendlies in the water here. Yeah. presumed to be enemy speedboats. They don't appear to be armed. Please advise. Yeah, just down here in the water. Okay.
Scratch my last, he's dismounted. I get one by a member with an E-tool.
Yeah, we had a lot of movement across the bridge.
Can you see them through on 7-1?
On comms.
Fire, reply.
2 by speedboats coming in from the northwest.
They have personnel on it. I'm still manning BCP. Count 5 moving west, northwest, correction. I've already,
One ring mark.
I'll see you there in 1 to 2 business days.
Western Bridge. All call signs are to prepare equipment, statics, and vehicles for the execution of the task. Alright, let's try not to hang around at the LZ too long. Get moving to your FUPs as soon as you can.
Should probably be someone from blue teams that we're really strength across the fire team.
Sunray, this is Charlie, all mounted. Over.
Sunray, all call signs. Good job.
Charlie, dismount. So you got Mike Man. He's our force multiplier right there. Dismount. +10 visible. There's no barbed wire fence, and looks like the HESCO barriers let us just walk right in. So
Dad, it sounds like the party's kicking off without me.
Oh no, no lead's fired anyway.
So it's actually quite heavy defended. We've got a couple of bunkers there, tower with a heavy MG, so we're going to need you to, yeah, knock that out for us. Looks good. Step.
Blue car. Just drop something off.
That is an IED.
That's an IED.
They're behind us. Fuck.
Disregard. That was an attempt at my life.
Summary, this is Charlie. We are currently being engaged from the first checkpoint. Permission to move in. Over.
If you feel like you're able to, yeah, push in and go to fire.
Got a chest wound.
Oh, Sunray, send over.
Roger, take cover. Alright, let's push now.
I can order another set if you want. Blue team set and ready. Southeast.
Yeah, technical. Get back. That's too close. Chez, that was supposed to be smoke from Golf, right?
It's meant to be, yeah. Smoke is like behind us on the road.
Don't deploy them all at once. Wait until we get a bit further.
Yes, save a couple of smokes. Alright, this looks good. Red team, blue team, push now.
Red team on the right. Blue team take left.
Blue team, give me SBF as we cross.
Roger that. Once we get the smoke, tight and light up. Charlie, Sunray, set sit rep when ready. Over.
Sunray, this is Charlie, currently pushing across the bridge. Time now. Nil effect on golf rounds, taking heavy resistance from multiple pillboxes and bounding across now. Wait out in combat.
Sunray, if it is unsafe for Charlie and Echo and Victor to cross, please bounce back or I need you alive over there. Over.
This is Charlie, acknowledge all. We're going to keep pushing. If you could relay to Victor to give us SBF, that would be fantastic. Double time, move, don't get caught here.
Sunray, we'll look at that through now. Good work. Thanks. Yeah.
Reloading. Bunker's clean on the right.
Roger, get whatever cover you can. We're going to fight here for a bit, then we're going to push through.
Bandaging, I got hit pretty bad.
Roger that, hang back if you need to. Use the vehicles as cover.
Charlie, Sunray, be advised, Victor and Echo are moving to assist you at their speed. Yeah, they're on their way. Ready to acknowledge out. A lot of requests to take
Victor's on their way in, so just be advised, and that's firm. Take them up, clear that tower.
149, before we assault the
More contacts and a BMP to the east, about 200 meters. There's a couple behind these HESCO barriers too. Yeah, project, need you on my pods for Titan. There's an enemy in this southmost building. Friendly coming out. Yeah, this one here.
Be advised, artillery.
How many members we got down?
Just 2 from blue.
2 from blue.
Confirmed.
Summary Charlie, message over. Charlie, we have all but completed the first assault in the foothold of the bridge. Also advising we have 2 BI members down and Echo on site to assist. No mic needed at this time, but would appreciate their help. Over.
Charlie, Sunray, be advised, Mike is currently grounded due to bird needing to refuel. How urgently do you need them? Over.
Give me a sit rep on the patients. How bad are they?
Stable, just moving him to a unified location.
Charlie, confirming both patients are stable and we're currently healing at this time, so no further assistance required. Over.
Sunray acknowledges all. Thanks for your work.
No need to acknowledge that. Alright, let's get moving. $40 out. Another 104.
Contact right side of the concrete wall.
You keep pushing up. Project, deal with Mike, man. Titan, what's your east there? You're getting shot at. If you see a bunker with a red X on the door, it means it's clear.
Roger that. Get the next position as spotted or any further instruction over.
Sunray network work and wait out for Bravo. And
Hey guys, with me.
Blue team, let's take the left side of this bridge.
Negative.
No, they are friendlies. What's your PID up here?
Hey, Bert, you read?
I mean the bigger one, the inside one.
There it is.
Nah, I'm cutting this. You're coming through here, mate. Come fucking back around. I just figured it out.
Courtyard looks clear. I think they're just rounding up the last few of the prisoners.
Start moving prisoners to the south. Look for the other call signs here.
Oh, I think that was a drop. Actually,
line out, complete moving those prisoners ASAP, and move to Mobrek marker. Over. They will be the prisoners.
Their police coming to take over the prison. Otherwise, continue Overwatch.
Yeah, I still watch him from this tower, but it looks like Echo's got him.
Alpha Bravo.
Flash out.
When you're back at the chook,
Flash out.
Mike 1201 Papa, mount up, get ready to RTV ASAP.
Sunray Charlie, solid copy. Moving now. Over.
Sunray out.
Get in. Sunray Charlie, all mounted and ready to step. Over.
I actually just made yours. I don't know.
To the western command location and meet up with Echo. During this time, the diversion force will push towards the captured allies and attempt to rescue and release them so they can join the fight.
Stand by to jump. Alright, red team go. Blue team jump. See you down there, Project. Let's go. Summary, this is Charlie. All members on the ground and accounted for. Over.
About 200 to 300 meters northwest of your location.
Copy that. Remember guys, this is stealth up, so only return fire.
Summary Mono, call sign is to move east to designate position and not to engage the BNP.
not to engage those hostiles.
Who's shooting?
Jazz. Take fire, southeast. MTI.
What?
It was circle the first time, we're gonna do it again.
There we go. Green team go.
We're going, Rambo.
3-story house east of town.
Roger that. Moving to you.
With a white fence.
Slaughter's boots on ground. That's alright, no worries. We'll find you. Bravo Charlie, be advised we're bounding past you to the next building. Over. Alright, this is our target building here to our south. Second floor.
Charlie, this is Bravo, copy, moving over.
Got one hostile ground.
Down the street.
Roger that.
Summary Charlie, intelligence found on site. Stand by for upload, over. Alright, we're prepping to leave, guys. Form up on me on the west side of the compound here. Charlie, acknowledge all, over.
We are holding the southwest wall of the compound.
Summary, one of your call sign is to move from current position along with.
Don't all clump up, don't all clump up. We saw what happened last time.
Did you hit that?
10-4.
Nice work.
Helen, of course he hit.
Summary Charlie, we're about to commence clearance. No need to acknowledge that.
Flashback there. Spotted, we have prisoners.
Roger that, put them in a safe area. Give me a count once they're all secure.
Told security in case you're going to take the back back.
I'll do it through 6-1. Hold up. We got some files here, top secret. I don't know if they're in play or not. The northwest corner of the building.
Yeah, the police are lighting up our birds.
What's the distance on that Titan? Is it pretty far, like 400? Excellent. Mount up. Cheds be last man in. Summary Charlie, acknowledge your last. We're mounting now. Over.
Top secret information has the same problem. Yeah, I think it's probably the same story.
Yeah.
Good job finding it though.
Well done. Don't acknowledge.
Oh, that was sick. And the helicopter flying out. 2700
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.